packet tracer. And then here I will take the 2 router is also enough, no need to take 4. So I will take 2 router and I can connect like this, and we can give the name as a R1 here, and here we can give the name as a R2, and we can define here. This side we will assign the IP 192.168.12.1/24, and this side we will configure as a 192.168.12.2/24. And what else we can say? We can do the configuration here. So let me do in the notepad. The configuration is very simple. Here I will write like a name, lab name we can give broadcast network. So this is a broadcast network. Here I will configure R1. So I will write R1 configuration, enable config T, host name R1, and then interface F0/0. We will write here IP address. We will write 192.168.12.1, give space 255.255.255.0, and we will write no shut, and then we will write router OSPF1, interface F0/0, IP OSPF1 area 0. I configure the R1. Then we will go for R2. We will write here R2 configuration here. Enable config T, host name R2, and then interface F0/0. IP address here we will write 192.168.12.2, give space 255.255.255.0, and write here no shut, and then router OSPF1, and then interface F0/0, IP OSPF1 area 0. This way we are doing. So this is the configuration for R1, R2. So this is the broadcast network. Normal configuration, just connect the Ethernet cable and do this configuration. And take here and paste here. Just go here and paste here the configuration. Just we need to observe if we get any error, anything, nothing. Everything is good. Just save the configuration. If you want, we can save the configuration. And then we will do the R2 configuration. Let me copy and paste this in the R2. And then here we can write no. And then we can save the configuration here. And after that we can go here, and here if you remember, show IP OSPF interface F0/0. Whatever interface you have here, that interface I am putting here, which we have in the OSPF. This command show IP OSPF interface F0/0. And here you can see network type is broadcast, and here you can check you have the hello timer and the dead timer, the standard one. And still here you don't have the DR, no BDR. So actually you should have the DR BDR. So let's see why they did not get here DR BDR. They will take some time. After that you have the DR BDR. Now you can see you have the DR and BDR. This is a DR, and you have the BDR, and you have the hello timer is 10 seconds, dead timer is 40 seconds. As we told, normal configuration whatever we are doing, that is a broadcast network. When you do, you have the DR and BDR. So this is a designated router, this is a backup designated router, this is a hello timer, dead timer. And what else we can say here? We can write like show IP OSPF neighbor. You can see neighbor here, and you can see DR BDR is there. So this is normal as we theoretically we discussed. If you want to configure point to point, we can configure also. How we can configure means you can go here, write interface F0/0, and you can write here IP OSPF network point to point. That's all. This command if you put under this interface, it will become like a point to point. So I will go here, I will go here also. Same thing I will do here. I will go under the interface F0/0, and then I will put the same command here also. After that, wait for some time, and then we will check it will be point to point also. So we can convert the broadcast into point to point by putting this command under that interface. So here I can write this is a broadcast network, and then okay. So what I will write here, if you want to make the point to point, you have two options. You can do this way like this, go under the interface and write there this command, This is our first method. How to verify? You can go inside the router, right? Show IP OSPF interface, whatever interface you are using, and check here. Now you have point to point. Before, what you have the broadcast. And if you remember, in point to point, we told we don't have DR BDR. You can see here nothing is written as a DR BDR. But we told the timer you will have, the hello timer will be same as 10 second, dead timer as the same as 40 second. So that is same. And then if you write show IP OSPF neighbor, you can check the neighbor table we are getting. Neighbor urgency is forming here, but you see DR BDR is not here. So whatever we discussed, that is happening here. So this way you can change in all router. Go wherever whatever interface is connected, put this command, then it will convert into point to point. So this way we can configure. And also if you have another method also, like example, here we put some extra command to make the point to point. But imagine if we use the serial cable, then automatically they will treat as a point to point. How means you can go inside and switch off the router and check here. This is a serial cable, connect here and power on the router. And here also go here and switch off the router. This is a serial port, this one, and fix here. And then we can connect the serial cable. I can connect from here to here. This is a serial cable. So this is serial cable. If you configure here directly, automatically this will treat as a point to point. So whenever you are using the serial cable, automatically that will be the point to point. We will not configure this one as a point to point, but this behave like a automatically point to point. So what we can say, how we can say means just we will configure. So this is the one method. Another method we can say, another method, use the serial cable. If you use the serial cable with the serial interface, because you should have the serial interface, then only you can use the serial cable. Okay, so what you will do here, you will just assign the IP. Example R1 configuration here, interface SE1/0, and we will configure IP address. We will write same what we have here, 192.168.12.1, give space 255.255.255.0, and you will write no shut, and then router OSPF1 interface serial, whatever the interface you have, you will go under that interface, you write IP OSPF1 area 0. Okay, this is the R1 configuration. Then R2 configuration is simple only. You can write here also, you have interface SE1/0 and write IP address 192.168.12.2, give space 255.255.255.0, and write no shut, then router OSPF1, and then write here interface SC1/0 IP OSPF1 area 0. Okay, like this. So this one we can say R1 configuration. This is R2 configuration. Configuration, everything is same, only just this interface is serial and cable is serial. Like we do this one. So when you do this one, it is not a, what we can say, it is not a serial. When we configure this one, we are calling it is a broadcast, and when we check it is a broadcast. When we put this command, then it becomes the point to point. Okay, if you are using the serial cable, if you are using the Ethernet cable or fiber cable, you put this command, then it will become point to point. But if you did not, if you are using serial, then automatically it will be point to point only. But nowadays we are not using serial. Serial is having very low speed, so no one is using the serial nowadays. Everyone is using the fiber or Ethernet only. So now let's paste this configuration there and we will verify. So here I will copy this from here to here, but here let me write like enable config t host name R1. Okay, same thing here also, enable config t host name R2, and then we can copy and paste this one. So I will copy this here, I will go here, and then I will paste here. If you see, we pasted here, everything good here. Everything is good in the R1. Then I can copy and paste for R2. Let me go here and paste here the R2. And if you see, everything is good. Now just we need to check. If you go here and check here, what you will get here, show IP OSPF interface, show IP OSPF interface SE 1/0, and you can see here point to point. Here is point to point, and hello timer, dead timer is this much. Hello timer is 10 second, dead timer is 40 second, and the network type is point to point here. And if you remember, we told we don't have the DRBDR, so you don't have here DRBDR here. Okay. And you can check also, you can write show IP OSPF neighbor and press enter. You can see here you have the neighbor here, but here you don't have the DRBDR.